Hey there, Saber friends. Space Windu here from Civilized Sabers. I've got a very special blade to show you today. This one is a replacement blade for Matt. It has 3 strips. It's a TRI-STAR. Let's take a close look at it. This has the KR Sabers blade tube and tip. This is one of the first times I'm using the KR blade tube and tip. I like the tip. It's already drilled out. I don't have to drill it out. It's as drilled out as it can be. There's about 7 NeoPixel LEDs stuffed up in the blade tip. This has about 350 LEDs in it. Let's go ahead and see how this blade looks in my Profi lightsaber. You don't need to use a Profi lightsaber. You could use any NeoPixel lightsaber that you want. I have a Profi lightsaber on hand with a 1-inch emitter. This is a 1-inch blade. Let's go ahead and put it in and see how it looks. I got it tuned to this really nice green color. Blade is very, very even. I'm gonna look in the mirror here, nice close up at the tip. I'll show you guys the tip as well. This blade looks very, very even. I think Matt's gonna be happy with this blade. Nice and bright. Very lightweight. I like the KR Sabers blade tube and tip, so you can get those from the Saber Armory online. And let's change the color. See what we got here as we rotate the colors. Millions of colors and blade styles are available on this type of NeoPixel blade. All your styles, all your favorite colors are going to work on this type of blade. I've just got a standard kind of lightsaber blade style here from FET 263. And let me find a nice color. Oh, I do like the way this red looks. So I hope you guys can see how even this blade is. I'm just swinging it around a little bit to test it out before I send it to Matt. Usually you can tell in a reflection is a better indication of what it looks like. Let's tune ourselves another color. Ooh, purple look good. Let's try a blue though. Scroll to a blue. Oh, the blue looks nice. I like this color blue, like a nice Skywalker blue. Alright, I'm going to test this blade a little more and then get it packed up and sent up to Matt in Canada. Thank you for taking a look at this video. If you liked it, push that thumbs up. Come back for more lightsaber videos right here on Civilized Sabers. We make a blade video for every single blade that we make. And when I come up with some lightsabers, I'm going to post them here too. So you'll be able to see all that stuff as well. Okay, well, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
Weapon of a Jedi. Then I am a Jedi.